Yo guys, this is Liquid Ocelot. Welcome back to the channel. Guys, today I'm going to be talking about why Illumination publication on medium.com is the go-to publication for newbie writers in 2023. My friends, in the previous video regarding Mehmet Yildiz, I talked about Illumination a little bit. I'm going to repeat myself. If you are new to this video, they are accepting all sorts of niches. It's not specialized niche. Business, poetry, fiction, self, science and technology, relations, society, spirituality, inquiries, and then you see specific sub-publications like Euphoria for Health and Illumination curated for the bigger writers. I think that is for the bigger writers. So my friends, you can also write about gaming, anime, movie reviews, TV reviews, anything really, videos and podcasts. Look, they have this as well. And to be honest with you, this is a massive publication with currently 9th, I think, in the world right now on medium.com. This source of information comes from a YouTuber and a writer named Christina. She says that she is a reliable source of information, my friends, and Christina says that this publication is 9th in the world. I think she has said this before. Now, I don't know, over almost 67.8 thousand followers. Now, my friends, this is only the 0.01% reason. The 99.9% reason is that a lot of people don't know about Illumination. Is that if you are a writer over here, they give you access to their Slack group. Now, this Slack group is the best Slack group for any publication on Medium. It has everything, my friends, and you can promote your tweets, your LinkedIn account, your Medium stories, your YouTube videos. You can just get access to editors like Bill Abate. I'll be making a video about him soon. And you can just connect with so many people that you don't need to be in any other publication really, my friends. And the thing is that this publication is a massive publication. And then the last 0.001%, which is the most important part, my friends, is Mehmet Yildiz. He is going to be helping you. He's so down to earth. On Twitter, he will respond to you. On Slacks, he will respond to you. You want him to promote a tweet for you, he will do that. You think that your Medium story is eligible for curation, he might get you into curation. Why not? He might suggest you the editing to get you in accordance to the Medium curation guidelines. He can get you into that. So this is the go-to publication for a million reasons, my friends. So don't waste your time. If you are a newbie writer, just join over here as a writer. They accept everybody. And thanks for watching, my friends. Please make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel and press the bell icon because I'm going to be bringing more content. So you'll miss out a lot on Medium related content if you don't do that. Thanks for watching. Take care.